I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome to a culinary journey where we'll explore how to create Haitian Bonbon Sirop, a truly special and flavorful cake. This traditional treat is known for its deep, sweet taste and aromatic spices, making it a beloved dessert. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious bake. Get ready to fill your kitchen with wonderful aromas and enjoy a taste of Haiti. Now let's get started on our flavorful batter. First, combine your dry ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl, cream together 2 sticks of softened butter with 1 cup of dark brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, slowly incorporate 1 cup of rich molasses, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract into your wet mixture. Next, we'll bring our ingredients together. Slowly add your sifted dry mixture into the wet ingredients, mixing gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger for that signature spice. Pour this thick, aromatic batter into a greased 9-inch baking pan and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. After baking, the most important step is patience. Let your bonbon syrup cool completely in the pan. This allows the flavors to meld and the cake to set perfectly, ensuring a wonderfully moist texture. Once cooled, you can slice it into generous portions. This rich, spiced cake is absolutely delicious on its own, or it pairs beautifully with a cup of coffee or tea. Enjoy this authentic taste of Haiti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.